Hey, it's Madison. Let's install the Don't Wake the Snake. Don't forget to sweep and mop the floors really well before starting. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. Here, I'm laying out the snake. Make sure to follow the guide. The snake will line up exactly if it's correctly placed. You can see right here I had to switch a part because it wasn't lining up correctly. To install the snake, I'll start at the bottom. Then I'll apply 2 pieces of tape to both sides of the image to hold it in place. Next, I'll peel back a section of the snake to expose the backing and cut off that portion. Then I'll press the exposed part of the snake onto my surface. At this point, I can remove the tape and lift the snake to peel back a small section of the backing, then apply the image to the floor. I'll repeat this method for each section. The poodle is unfortunately not included in this package. Have a great day!